So long, we were told long ago.
He quent hariplu stulich.
The ground shook.
He met mootels.
It bubbled and bubbled and bubbled.
Tin she et in el selt.
From the beginning to the end.
Shatmislo squelich.
The people ran helter-skelter.
Heads, za, heads, zooti.
They cried and they sobbed and wailed.
Quent nis ulauch stulich.
And the ground tore apart.
Heads mok.
And the mountains as well.
Ye ches out mis etuids mis sheshutim chinchewelch u siege chakulsum.
So in the end, a young man and a young woman, they met and reached the top of Mount Spokane.
Chakulsum una sheu heads
And from there they watched.
Hoi heads no oslu self.
The water, everything began to improve and the water started to drain.
Huichis tu shoot heads more up. Huichis ye quam stipamet utlu skahet.
And so they looked down and they saw that the water was flowing, and then they went down and they looked and they saw this beautiful waterfall and it's flowing rapid.
He ani stemfli she and to shet simplich swin huamena.
And then the little girl said, "Oh my gosh, what is that in there crawling in the water? Is it a salmon? Is it a steelhead?"
Shehu simplich hulil uquent til she jesel seats thu sint uli uli ulu skat isni.
So from those salmon they lived, and then from those two, that boy and that girl, came the upper band Spokane people, the middle band, and the lower band Spokane peoples.
Una she'ohoi.
And that is all.
Our grandmothers and our great-grandmothers told these stories, including Chief Lot. And so today, geologists are learning of the Great Flood from Missoula and how the ice broke and cut through and created these basalt walls. But our people have told these stories, your great-great-grandmother, since time immemorial. And so we remember this oral history and we share the story of the Spokane people. Our people have been here for 10,000 years now. The scientists, archaeologists and stuff prove that. But we have this oral history about how we came to be in Spokane. And it's so nice that we can share this story.